Trust Ekinabo welcomes you to the concluding aspect of nature's viewpoint of woman's submission to man, either in the family or in the society at large. All through the ages, man has been blessed to have more than one wife. I recollect with accurate precision Sarah's utterances to her husband in the Bible. Get yourself a second wife that can bear you a child. She said that because of her inability to bear Abraham a child. As at that time, I also recall the amorous affair David had with Bathsheba, which later became his wife, thus thereby marrying more than one wife. What about King Solomon, the wisest man that ever lived? Arguably, he had more than 300 wives and 700 concubines, just to mention but a few. Why the speaker is not supporting polygamy? Man has been so blessed with nature from time immemorial. It will be an incredible arrogance if a woman decides to have herself more than one husband, and I would have zero empathy for her, because that is narcissism. If a woman is polygamous, the speaker could qualify her as not acting within a sense of reasoning, and her behavior will be narcissistic and unbecoming, and qualify her as a prostitute. No matter her level of education, her position in the society, background, and her fragile beauty. Second, what is the effect of age on a woman's or a man's health or physical outlook? At age 90, check on the renowned novel icon in Nigeria in the person of Professor Wale Soyinka, looking so handsome and fresh. How many women would be as fresh as that at that age, with the skin shrinking, with the massive breast reduction and flat and buttocks drying up, and massive loss in appetite for sex? So you see, nature itself supports man. Inventions. History also lean towards man for this. On your own, you can check who was the first person to create electricity, ship, vehicle, aeroplane, education, building, borehole, to mention but a few. Fourth, have you ever wondered why two healthy people, male and female, would have sex and one person end up in carrying the pregnancy? Woman, what does that tell you? There is a superiority in that, unquestionably. Fifth, what does your monthly blood flow tell you? Or have you ever seen a man with such tendency? I want to know. Once more, a man is a clear leader. Sixth, when it comes to urinating, a man can and most times stand erect to pass out urine. Now try to imagine if a woman tried to do that, and with what effect? One is standing tall and one is bending to urinate. What does that mean? Pay a particular attention to the concept of bending. Seventh, while it will not be out of place for a man to take off his shirt during times of heat or entertainment in the public places, it will really cause a commotion, embarrassment, sexual excitement, and confusion should a woman attempt such. 8. In the animal world, the lion is seen as the clear leader. When a lion takes over a new territory, it will automatically try to kill the youngs of the lionesses, for fear that those ones can come and hurt him. While a man will not do that because of the existence of law and order, because of morality and a good sense of reasoning, but a woman going into a new relationship with another man is causing problem for the youngs, because again the man will not see them as is compared to when a woman have children for him. So have you thought about their physical, emotional, psychological and mental health? So this is telling an unsubmissive woman to think twice before taking such decision. So therefore, both the Bible and law of nature have taught us that a woman is supposed to respect her place in the family and society and submit herself to the rulership of man. This is where we'll be ending today's talk. See you next time on a different topic. Thank you.